Good afternoon, this is Colton with Bill Brothers Roofing and Solar, doing the digital roof inspection here for the new owner that's going to be buying this property. We like to do these inspections, outline the current condition of the roof and provide any recommended action. This is a architectural asphalt shingle roof that was installed, the original roof from 1988, it looks like. Some things that tell us of that installation is that this roof was installed with staples. So staples were used heavily before 2000, and you can see that staples are used to adhere all of these shingles, and they don't do as good of a job as nails. So you can see how all these ridge caps are busted right here. Easy way for water to penetrate into this ridge cap, and then a bunch of staples used. There's also no drip edge, so you have your fascia board right here, and then you have your shadow board, and you don't see any 2-inch drip edge coming down. It's a metal flange that kind of kicks water out and keeps it off the wood to protect it from wood rot and termite damage, right? There's only one layer on this roof, so you have a single layer. Then you have a felt underlayment system, so it's just an older style. A lot of the shingles are starting to get damaged, kind of breaking off here. There is some, integrity of the shingles that are starting to kind of, lose its adhesion to the roof. And we do see a good amount that have started to blown off, like this one right here, right? So some more damaged ridge caps down there, and then a bunch of staples that are starting to show through on these sections. And then getting up to the top part of the roof, you can see a bunch more staples kind of coming through on these damaged ridge sections. You can see the side that gets the more sun exposure. You kind of have the fiberglass starting to show through. The integrity of the shingles kind of starts to go when you start having these staples show through and the fiberglass show through. This side would be really good for solar. If the new buyer is interested, the best time to do it is with the roof. One company, one warranty. Furthermore, these copper pipes that are coming out were originally here for a rooftop water heater. Something when we re-roof, we can take these out and just cancel a penetration point. There's no ventilation on the roof right now, so we're missing attic exhaust ventilation. We have some intake right here, but you can see like a couple of the neighbors that have got re-roofs done. You can see some of the low profile vents that get installed near the ridge line to let hot air out. Nowadays we install Owens Corning duration cool rated roofing system, so to reflect a bunch of the heat we use a synthetic underlayment, significantly a better material on this roof. It is a little bit steeper of a roof. The pitch is about a 6 and 12, so just want to be careful on this roof. But you can see some of the shingle courses that are actually starting to lose their integrity and kind of come down, and then like kind of lose their ability right here. So they're starting to slide down a little bit, and then you can see the roofing staple that was used to adhere it. So this roof is definitely a candidate and recommended for full replacement. There's no arguing there. The shingles have degraded severely. We're seeing a lot of breakage. The integrity is gone. The roofing staples are out of code, and we're missing a drip edge. Single layer, it's recommended full tear off. Take it down to the wood decking, be able to replace any damaged wood. Wood replacement happens on every roofing project. It's recommended to do the wood replacement from when the roof is off. It's severely more cost effective than doing it from underneath per se. So the wood replacement happens on every single roofing job, and we will handle that with our in-house roofing crew and carpenters. We'll kind of give a ballpark for the wood replacement, but to really understand how much wood is needed, we can't really tell until the roof is off. So we're gonna go ahead and measure this out right now, get the square footage, and give some pricing for the buyer. Thank you so much.